Honey, see, we need to watch this King of Boys.
Yes,
like,
yes. So I'm going to take you to the cinema next week.
Yes,
It's on 27th, Abby?
Yeah, 27th.
Okay, yeah, cool. So we're going to the cinema next week. Then we're going to watch.
Tila is making sense.
Man, yeah, it's good now.
Man, this woman is on fire and everything like
it's
that.
It's good.
See you.
I go there for you, I go there for you.
Hey, babe, what's up now? The food, what happened?
Yes. In the next 5 minutes, I'm actually ready now.
5 minutes. I'm hungry.
You chew down now, I'm actually ready. In the next 5 minutes now. So we're ready.
That's it.
So yeah, what about the clothes? The tailor.
Oh, yeah. She said on Friday that I should come on Friday. Yeah, next
that Friday should be Friday. You know, the event is Saturday. Friday should be Friday. I don't want any.
Friday. You know now, she's good at what she does. This one is
so she should better be good. She should better be good.
On Friday, I'll collect it.
What the designs are? Let me see the designs she sent
they're okay. They're okay. They're really fine, honestly.
Let me see the design.
Yeah, you know she's good at what she does. This one is not all the tailoring nonsense. She's not a Mongo.
Okay, cool.
She's sabi work.
Yeah, I like this one. This one is nice.
Yes.
Okay, babe, I think let me go check the food for you.
All right, no problem.
I'll meet you in the next one.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah. What's wrong with you? Since morning, give me the door. Are you okay? Get out. Sir, you forgot your food, sir. Sir, your food.
Loving you be my greatest sin. Said I was done, but see I'm here. You don't make it easy.
Yeah, babe.
Okay.
To stay away from your
You should prepare this.
Yeah, are you doubting me? Come on.
No, just
Very nice. Yes, everything is perfect.
Never say never. No, I can do whatever. Be mine.
Aren't you gonna
Don't
give me?
wanna be so loser. No,
You have to hold on. What can I say? Like this is
can feel my lips burning.
This is very nice.
Losing composure. Can feel my face drowning. Seems so irrational. Ready to risk it all. If I can't have you, nobody can. No. Tell me.
Sir, the food. You forgot.
Excuse me, what is that?
Babe.
From Timmy Chop Chop.
Jesus is
Chop Chop.
Okay.
You can
Get us on
at Timmy Chop_Chop.
Okay.
We make the best African dishes and intercontinental dishes. We are open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. 7 days a week.
And babe, the also dish African dish that we are going a furry roll.
Oh my God.
All those African dishes, they are very good in Timmy Chop. You know, babe, yeah.
Sir, if I may, sir,
What?
we also make intercontinental dishes. You know, the seafood fried rice, the coconut fried rice, the spaghetti bolognese. You know, we make all sorts of the best intercontinental dishes. You know, and we're also available for bookings. You know.
But honestly,
Babe, I'm very sorry about that. I know I didn't. I'm very sorry.
because you just caught me unaware, like I don't understand why you have to badge you like that.
Yes, I'm very sorry about that. You know, like we also do birthday parties, birthday events. Even the beach we went to last week, the small shop. Didn't you like it? Come on.
I did.
Yeah, even this one too. You said you like it now.
Yeah.
So I'm very sorry for.
It's okay,
Sorry,
honestly,
so-
because you just caught me unaware. I didn't know about
Yeah,
it.
and sorry about that.
Fine.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
From now on, trust me.
if I may-
Timmy Chop
sir.
Chop all the
Yes.
way. Like
What?
Can I taste?